there is an awesome off-leash dog park. It's over 470 acres, and it's known as the Westminster Hills Open Space. So if you have dogs, maybe bigger dogs that you just don't want to be getting pulled by the leash from them, take them up here. It's off-leash, and it's got, again, awesome views. And you know what? I actually just thought of one more thing to share with you about Westminster. So when you're on this Highway 36 going from Boulder to Denver, one of the best shopping malls in all of Colorado is known as Flatirons. Flatirons Mall is right there. Considered Westminster, sometimes you'll also see it labeled as Broomfield. This is also where Rocky Mountain Airport is. I actually am a pilot and I've done a lot of my flying out of this airport. But right across the street off of Highway 36, there's what's called the Butterfly Pavilion. If you've never heard of this before or never been, definitely check it out if you've got any young kids or really just anybody that's got a curiosity and just wants to see what a butterfly pavilion is. You go inside and there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of butterflies in this enclosed environment that's super warm and humid. You feel like you're in the jungle, and they're just flying all over the place. They're landing on your head and on your arm if you want them to. I've taken my sister there a few times, and it's always a great experience. So check out that Butterfly Pavilion if you guys want to go out and just explore a little bit in this Westminster Broomfield area.